Yo, happy Tuesday. Matt's here, busy sitting on the side. How does it feel getting roasted by 2,000 people? It feels like I'm at a party. They've already smashed. I'm sitting here and I'm like, everyone's like partying. They kind of like, there's a bit of annoyance and a bit of happy and a bit of that. Guys, I know it's been crazy. And I know personally for me, it's like, Sheldon, like, what's going on? We have seen a nice little another 24 hours in crypto. Even the last hour is looking pretty good. And what's nice about this as well is also kind of just seeing a couple of the new tokens breaking out of the ranges. So it's nice to see VET starting to really give a nice 24 hours. Nice to see Chainlink give a nice 24 hours. And what you got to understand, guys, is these coins are still about 100, 150% away from all-time highs. We are not anywhere near at all-time highs. Things are going crazy. And I want to remind you as well, is this, in my opinion, is how early we still are in the altcoin cycle, right? This is the weekly chart. This is still what I'm seeing incoming, right? Again, I'm still one of the most biggest bulls when it comes to crypto. But ultimately, this is how early I'm still seeing us in the game. Okay. The big thing, however, though, guys, and that's the thing for me as well, is Bitcoin is slowing down and is bearish at this point. Bitcoin is giving quite a few bearish signals. And I want to speak about it in the show over here that yes, we're all drunk on the altcoin, rally at the moment, and maybe a little bit salty that didn't get all the altcoins. I actually saw a couple of comments. I would have missed out on a couple 200% pumps. Oh yeah, sure. You would have bought HBAR. Sure. You would have bought XRP. Sure. Sure. Again, Solana hasn't pumped. Injective hasn't done 200%. Arweave hasn't done 200%. AVAX hasn't done 200%. None of the main coins, the big rockets, have not done any 200% yet. They haven't even woken up just yet. There's still a lot of time. It's a whole party. Relax, okay? There's a whole journey, but you are starting to be drunk. You're starting to act drunk, okay? And you're all starting to just see one way. And that for me is I'm here to humble the crap out of you and say, okay, let's trade this market. I do have bullish news for you guys today. I got a couple of bullish breakouts. I got a couple of bullish trades for you guys as well. Don't worry. I'm not just a full 𝗙𝗢𝗡𝗣𝗅 here at the moment. It's not at all. Okay. But I want to remind you again that you got to really start looking after your risk management and understanding what is incoming. Okay. And because you are going to have a lot of egg on your face when it happens, and I'm going to be sitting here smiling, right, when it happens, because do you see me panicked? Do you know that me sitting in cash and seeing that some of the rockets go through? Do you see me panicked? Do you see me sitting here like, oh, I'm not making money? I'm not like, no, not at all, because I know the cycle and I know this is a 12-month cycle. And the moment that you start getting too drunk too quick at the party, I'm here to humble you and remind you what is happening in front of your eyes. If you like it or not, the data is the data. Okay. Now, a good thing by also being a little bit patient, and I explained it to you guys today as well, is now we are allowing the altcoins to prove that they're going to break these areas. Once they prove it, we know where the supports are and we know where we are buying them, okay? There's a couple of alts that are breaking weekly trends now that are worth a couple of spots and entries today. I see gaming is starting to move. We can look at a couple of buys of gaming today, okay? But if you want to be drunk and go chase, you know how many, I've gotten so many messages, should I buy XRP? Do it. I dare you. I dare you to go buy XRP now. I dare you. I dare you to go buy, I dare you to go buy H4. I dare you to buy these tokens right now, okay? And you'll come back and you'll be like, okay. So again, I'm here to show you guys that Bitcoin is giving certain signals, okay? And there is a flush out still incoming, and you got to be a little bit prepared. And all that we're doing is updating a couple of our limit orders. I got a couple of trades for you guys today, but I'm also going to be very honest with how much money you should be trading in these trades right now. Okay, so that you can still be very much a little bit sober. So I'm basically telling you that you can trade, but I'm telling you when to drink a glass of water. Okay, to just keep yourself level-headed. So when the bouncers walk in or the cops come and raid, you're not sitting there with weed in your hands. Okay, and as an example, right? That's exactly what it is today. So guys, let's go through it. I understand. Okay, I understand. There's a lot of people that may not have caught all the pumps just yet. Me too. Okay, again, my long-term portfolio is printing. I've always said it to you guys, long-term stay in. Okay, but let's stay level-headed and let's look at the opportunities and let's celebrate the tokens that broke out of the ranges. Link is finally out of $20. Now we can start talking about $50. Until Link was not outside of $20, you could still talk $15, $10. You could, because it was called resistance. It was called the top. And those that are all coming now to the party, you were not here for the last 6 months. You were not here for the last 9 months. You don't know how this market brutally smacked you if you bought into resistance. Right now, you're lucky. You're lucky that you're getting it. But this market is not going to be like this for the next 10 years. It only comes every couple of years where it does give you everything that you want. But if you are going to get into this mindset now, okay, and you're brand new and you think you're the king of the world, woo, There's a lot of humbling coming your way, and you're going to give all that great money that you've made straight back to the market. You know, I can just send you my wallet address instead of like you can just send it to me. You know, because again, I'm here to teach you. I'm here to help you. I'm here to be part of the journey. Don't worry, we're going to make tons of money together. Okay, but keep yourselves level-headed. Understand that everyone's getting drunk. You see everyone in the comments. You see everyone over here. Hit the like if you're a hater right now. Yeah, I want to see how many. Hit the like. If you're pissed off right now, show me. Let's see how many drunk people are at the party. Go hit the like right now. Let's see. Okay, no more wasting time. When I get back, I want to see how many people are drunk. You tell me. Okay, let's go.
I try and help everyone in my space, and this is what I get. I try and fight the devils, but inside I'm just like Sniper. Welcome to Sheldon the Sniper.
Drunk, Matt. No, how many are drunk? Show me. How many likes are we on there? 680. Come, show me. Come, drunk people. Come. You upset? The market's going to keep going up. It's never going to pull back, Sheldon. Come. I want to see it. Hit the likes. I want to see it go. By the way, if you do hit the likes as well, I'm giving away Sniper Club today, and I'm giving away Bitfunded today as well. Okay? I'm giving away stuff today. Let's go. So hit the like up. Let's go. I'm going to give away a bunch of Bitfunded, give away a bunch of Sniper Club. I'll give away a bunch of Easy Algo. Okay, I'll just give. Okay, because you know what? I'm sitting on a bunch of cash, so I can afford to, right? I can just I can give. Again, quick reminder: if you've not taken profits, it's not your money, so don't celebrate. Okay, it's just an honest fact. Okay, now your long terms, guys, you're living in for this run over here. That's what you're living it in for. Okay, you live it. You leave your long term money that you're not trading on leverage, money that you're not this whatever. You're buying the tokens and you are leaving them. Those bad boys are in. I can promise you today, I'm 400% to 500% richer on my portfolio in the last 2 months. So I'm making bank when it comes to my long-term portfolio. When it comes to real money and money that I'm using to trade inside of the market, I have been sitting on some cash. I did take profits a little bit early on a couple of tokens. But you know what? It teaches me a very valuable lesson that you wait for the alts to prove that they are breaking levels. Okay, and then you wait for an opportunity and you get into the damn altcoins. Okay, you don't go and chasing pumps. You don't go lose yourself in the process. And it's the same thing with Bitcoin right now. I'll show you guys now that Bitcoin's in a flag, lower high in play, and it is telling me that it's going to go down. And I want to convince myself that it's another way. Now you are seeing a dominance drop, which we are due for. And what it's doing is it's making your altcoins look strong, right? But if Big Daddy Bitcoin is not strong just yet, and it hasn't proven, we are not above $100,000. Okay, so to celebrate that Bitcoin is just going to go everywhere, we are not above $100,000. We have still not gotten through the main resistance on Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin is sitting below resistance, there's an opportunity for a massive pullback on Bitcoin. And your poor little altcoins that are doing 300% to the upside will come down 50% very quickly. And then it will go up another 300% again. But that little 50% is going to be so hard for you to withstand when you've taken your account from $200,000 or let's say $2,000 and you're sitting on $10,000 today, and tomorrow you're sitting back on $3,000. You're going to see mentally what that's going to do for yourself. Okay, so taking the profits on the way up and sitting on is going to teach you a very valuable lesson. It's not just going to get you through this bull market and make sure that you have money, right? It's going to get you through your entire crypto career for as long as you want to be in it. Okay, if you're going to get into this mindset of just buy, that's cool. But if you're never going to take profits and you're going to get upset when the coins are going, like, I don't give a crap, guys. And I don't say that in a bad way. I don't give that the crap tokens are going because I know the special is coming for me. I know that I'm going to get the opportunity. I know that the wick because it has always done that. Okay. All that I was doing was making sure, firstly, are the correct token or which tokens are starting to break out now? It's pretty clear right now that gaming is waking up right now. It's pretty clear that AI tokens are waking up right now. So now I'm confirmed, okay, sweet, this is what I want. And again, they are not far, right? Where they are not far away. Like if you look at what I mean by the not far, like they've only just begun. So I want to go through here again on the weeklies and just show you guys what have we really missed. Here's Injective. What have I really missed on Injective? Okay, at this point right now, what have I really missed on Thorchain? Hasn't even broken the weekly yet. What have I missed over here, right? Solana hasn't even broken the highs yet. Okay, it's not even going full parabolic yet. What have I missed? Okay, Arweave, what have I missed? Okay, what have I missed? Chainlink. Okay, there was the break I spoke about yesterday. Now I'm confirmed that this is my first weekly high. Now, do you see what happened on the left over here? Okay, there was a lot of drunk people in March. Lots of drunk people in March, February, March. What happened after that? Okay, What happened after that? Remember, we've seen this pump before, and I just want to show you this over here. Just before, just so you can get a little bit of a, not a humbling today, but just respect the process. Respect to have the balls to take profits and not just be a moon boy. Respect it, okay? Because there's not many real people out there that are going to do this and actually be honest with you and open with you, right? But we have done this before, okay? It's not nothing new. We did this year, okay? But then what did we also do after that? Now, again, I don't think we're in a bear, right? But what did we do after that too? Okay, so before you get upset, you're going to be very grateful that you've taken some sort of profits and sitting in some sort of cash and not pre-jumping the gun very quickly. But this is what has also happened this year. You've seen both scenarios play out. Now it's official and we can say, okay, the first weekly high on Chainlink is in. Cool. Now I know I definitely want to buy this token on the pullback. Fantastic. Now by going through your lists, you're going to see that your NEA hasn't broken your highs just yet, right? So the urgency is like, okay, with NEA. Urgency on Chainlink is very high, right? So you look at your Thor chain, haven't even broken trenches yet. Okay, so what this is doing, it's giving you an urgency list of what is really going to move and start pumping now and what's not, and what you got a bit of time with. And what that's going to teach you is going to teach you to ride the ones that are hot right now and start taking profits on them and start buying the ones that are not running hot right now. You know, if you guys were taking profits right now and buying what is cheap, I would say well done, especially if it's on your spots or whatever like that. If you took profits on XRP and are buying some Solana right now and some Injective right now, good on you, because what you're doing is you're taking profits from something that you've made a shit ton of money and you're buying something that is cheap. Phenomenal, right? That's great. But if you are just wanting to buy and chase like stuff, I don't think you're playing the game correctly, okay? So look at this on DOT. Has the party even begun? Okay, it hasn't even begun yet. We haven't even made the higher high just yet. Okay, so woo! 𝗬𝗢𝗕. 𝗬𝗢𝗕. We got a long bull market together. And again, there will be no one more bullish than me, right? But I do have to read the picture. So let's go through a couple of things. Just pop through a couple of weekly charts over here. AVAX hasn't broken out yet. Still a lot of opportunity. 𝗘𝗬𝗕 hasn't broken out yet. 𝗕𝗬𝗕 hasn't broken out yet. We've just had an algo breakout. Still very early, by the way. Algo has been at $3 before. It's only at 50 cents. Okay, so that's not like the whole bull market's gone. We've missed the whole opportunity. No, that has confirmed that we are finally out of a bear market. Okay, when a nice little dip comes along, we're buying it and we're going to ride the bigger wave. Okay, so again, showing you now that we are just now straight bang into resistance on the total 3. So what you can see the total 3 at the moment is you are right into resistance and you're at the all-time highs on total 3. That's where you are. Okay, now a lot of people will see this as just a massive bullish thing. For me, it's like, hey, until we are above this level, this is resistance. This is take profit zone. This is like bank a little bit of trading profits. Long term, leave in, because again, that's what I expect to happen on long term. Okay, but short term and things like that, you got to understand we are getting to a very choppy level and a big resistance level that we can reject hard. Okay, just to wipe out the entire leverage. Because again, I was looking at the numbers. Have you seen the numbers of people that are coming into crypto? It's like it's massive. Plus, you got a lot of bullish news. Okay, you could see over here, there's a couple of really good news. Even Peter Schiff, is he bullish now or what? What's this guy saying? Imagine how much lower price of Bitcoin would be if I hadn't spent so much money buying it. Well, let's see it. MicroStrategy. Oh, so MicroStrategy bought another 1.5 billion. Huh? Wow. You know what I love about him though? He buys everywhere. He doesn't care about the price. That's what I love very much about MicroStrategy. So that's good, but I do think he's buying into damn resistance. You can see Coinbase now allows users to purchase cryptocurrency with Apple Pay. So a lot of bullish news is coming out. Tether has now printed another, $1 billion on Ethereum. Incredible. So we got more Tether in this. I don't know if is that really good news? No, but isn't that like fiat? So they just printed more money. That's not good. That's why a lot of these altcoin prices, like things get overvalued. They just printed $1 billion and just put it into crypto. Like, what the hell? And other things that are good as well is ETH is starting to have a golden cross. Now, we all know that a golden cross is actually lagging. So what usually happens with the golden cross is we get a little bit of a correction and then we start off. But no brainer that ETH is definitely one of the big players, right? ETH's going to be moving next and doing things crazy after that as well. Let's go through a couple more of the weekly charts here. So big ones, guys, that are starting to just break out now is your Nakamoto games. These are ones that out dollar cost right now. Keep some cash for the special. Okay, but these are just to buy for the bull market. You're not going to trade them. You're just going to buy them because gaming is coming in hot next. We can see gaming's waking up. I even see that NFTs are waking up, Craig. Did you see that? NFTs are coming back, guys. What the hell? Like, even NFTs are coming back. My brother was here. He's like, Sheldon, I need ETH. I was like, okay, sweet. So I'm gonna actually bring you guys some NFTs next week. So I think that's gonna be quite interesting as well. So guys, just remember again, a little bit of a marathon here, not a sprint. Beam is still in a really good place of going up. Gala Games hasn't even broken highs yet. Super Farm also looking ready for another rally to break through the highs. Still in resistance at the moment as well. I see XRP is actually pulling back at the moment. Hey, is Bitcoin pulling back? I'm not gonna say anything. But anyway, I actually took a cheeky little short on XRP, just a little one, just for fun. Oh, that's looking good. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, guys, so let's go through a couple of things. Let's not deny that Bitcoin dominance is, again, it went down a little bit more than yesterday, and that did result in a bit more of altcoins pumping. But let's not deny again. That's a lot of red candles on Bitcoin dominance, okay? A lot of straight red candles on Bitcoin dominance. And what that's going to basically mean, or what that's going to result in, just one fat green candle is coming like that at any moment, and then it will basically trickle its way down. So it'll be a massive candle, trickle its way down, and then we'll have the next altcoin rally, right? But this one is about to wreck at any moment. It's about to come out of nowhere. It's about to do a lot of quick damage very fast. Okay. Yes, I'm patient. Am I patient though? It's 10 days. It's not that wrong. 10 days. I think I sold out 10 days ago. It wasn't this weekend, it was the weekend before. It's not that long, guys. Jesus, it's 10 days of patience. It's not that patient. I know it seems like a lifetime in crypto, but it's not that bad. But here we go. So Bitcoin dominance. I want to show you guys a couple of things as well. Let's just go through the RSIs quickly. 8-hour RSI at the bottom. 12-hour RSI at the bottom. Daily RSI at the bottom, weekly RSI at the bottom. Please tell me that there isn't going to be a Bitcoin dominance bounce. Please tell me, please. Okay, so any moment now, you have a lot of RSIs indicating that the Bitcoin dominance is going to bounce. And it's very clear right now, Bitcoin's been going sideways. Therefore, altcoins have been ripping off very fast. And that basically means when Bitcoin pulls back, dominance is going to spike up and your altcoins are going to nuke. Okay, now again, they are not going to nuke to go out of the mark or to end the altcoin rally. They're actually going to nuke into supports. That's going to catch a lot of late buyers, okay? And then it's going to settle. And what's going to probably happen then is the shakeout will happen. We'll go sideways, and then Bitcoin's going to start the pump again, okay? And what you're going to then see is you're going to see the restart of the cycle again, okay? Where basically Bitcoin's going to start pumping again. Your ETH will wake up. We see we've got the golden cross now, and then your Solanas and then your alt season. Right now, you've just had your first leg of the bottom one. Where's my hand here? This one. Right, cycle over here, your first little rally of this one. It's only your first leg. You still got 2 major legs to go after this. Okay, but you need basically a rotation to happen from that next. Okay, yes, give me a break. Remember, haters, you're allowed to like today for the first time. Okay, so you can like, and whoever wants to, what's our likes on? 1-4. Come, let's go. Who's drunk? I want to see who's drunk. Okay, let's go through Bitcoin for a second. So Bitcoin, guys, it's coming into support now, and I'll speak about this for a sec. But Bitcoin is definitely at a high time frame resistance, and it's starting to print bearish, right? The big problem that we had over here was a lower high is quite a big problem. And what I'm seeing over here is I'm seeing that we had a very big impulse wave to the upside, and we're looking at an ABC correction on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is slowing down. Now, I want to show you guys what this results in, and I want to go all the way back here to the beginning of the year, right? Because we've been here before. Let's just zoom out here and just show you guys all the way here. Okay. No, not there. Here we go. There we go. Okay. So this is what I'm seeing happen on Bitcoin at this point over here. And I actually want to zoom out here to the daily because I saw it perfect a little bit earlier. Let's just go back over here. Here we go. Okay. So it's basically this play over here that I'm looking at, where it's this scenario over here, where we basically had the nice strong Bitcoin rally to the upside. We had the first shakeout, and now we're making way to this range. And I'm looking at this, what is known as an ABC. So you see here, you basically got, and you get different ones. Why is this not working? You got your A, B, and your C. And this is the kill shot. Now, this kill shot over here wipes out all the buyers that came in this area over here. At this point, dominance goes up, okay? Wipes out and catches all the altcoin guys out fast. And you see it does not last long at all. That's the problem with Bitcoin at the moment, is it's slowing down, okay? So Bitcoin has pumped up, done this, and it is slowing down. Slow down is a problem, okay? Especially if we break the bottom support, which we are now approaching now. What that basically means is Bitcoin is coming near the end of this short-term pump that it has seen now over the last couple of weeks, and now it's getting ready for its correction, okay? And the only time that it gets ready for the correction is when the slowdown starts to happen. Now, we also know over here on the Bitcoin price here too, is we could see here very much that on the weekly, this is very extended. Okay, this is multiple green weeks over here, and we're just starting our second red candle over here, and it's very much a high time frame RSI that is very capped here too. So what this means for me over here is we are now going to start a bit of a weekly pullback into a weekly support. Again, this is at the 85,000, and we do have one at 87, and we do have one at 90,000 too. Nonetheless, Bitcoin is definitely ready for that little shakeout. This is going to then humble all of the altcoin buyers. Let's not deny it's been the best month we've had in a very long time in crypto, and I'm very happy for it. Okay, but now you could see very clearly over here that you had your first rally up. Now you had your first, and basically from here, it's your A, your B, and your C. We chill, and from here, we start rallying up. This is where the trap's going to happen. In that point over there is where your dominance is going to spike. Your altcoins are then going to have a nice, strong pullback. So here is your altcoins right into all-time highs. Your strong pullback will be something like that, and the road will go on. So this is where, even though I know that I've missed 10 days of pump, right, I will get it at very similar levels of where those 10 days were. The difference is, though, is I'm buying on support. And I want to show you guys something over here for a second as well. Do you know why it was so important to understand? Let's just go here. Just confirm on. There we go. Okay. So why it was so important to just give the market a little bit of time as well. And this is such a big, important lesson. You know, guys, I'm sitting here today and I'm about to give you so much experience that you're going to be very grateful for later on. Because what happens in the future if you're sitting in cash and the market's going up, right? How do you get through it? What do you do? What did that? So I'm glad, you know, I'm usually the guy on the other side. I'm usually the bull, which I can't wait to be again. You know, it's killing me inside to be in cash, guys. It's not easy. Like, I'm literally being so dedicated to just show you guys that it's not worth me losing myself and chasing and getting drunk. You know, because I've done it before and it hurts, and I don't want to hurt myself on YouTube again. Like, I don't want to do it, right? I want to be true and I want to be struck, but you know how hard it is for me inside to not have a tequila, you know, and not just drink. Right? That's not easy, right? It's tough. I can't wait to be bullish again, but it's a very big lesson. And let's show you guys what this lesson looks like now. Okay, so until a lot of altcoins were here a couple of days back, okay, and until they got through this big red box over here, this was the supports. Okay, that means easily price could have came all the way back down to these areas. Okay, and that's why for me it was, you know what, bank some profits. Okay, now what the benefit of that basically is to confirm that the alts are actually really going up and they're really gonna go to the next levels. Now, by doing that, what that shows you is if this breaks through here, this now becomes your green box. And now it makes sure, okay, so when it stops over here, it's going to come back to the green box, and that's where I buy it. So the difference between me buying this thing into resistance is I can still go in a 30% drawdown. By allowing it to run, I will still buy it in the same place, but on a pullback and a confirmation that this token is going up after. Other than that, if you are buying coins here, you are gambling. You are gambling. You are not learning the skill, and you may get your way right now, but in the future you are going to get wrecked. Okay, and you know what? Again, I am a perma bull. Okay, and I've been a bull my whole life. But if I'm here to show you because I give a shit about you, so I know there's a lot of people here. Oh, I care about you. That's why I'm sitting in cash right now, and I'm showing you the whole rules here. I don't want you to get wrecked and to keep losing your damn money because you make so much money, you give it all back. I give a crap about you. So understand that I was literally, for those who don't know me, I was a carpenter 4 years ago. I had nothing. I was working in a damn factory. Crypto changed my damn life, okay? But it also destroyed my life. It also made me go through this massive roller coaster, okay? And there was times where I was bullish all the time. And you know when those big red days come? If you think they were sold today, you know when that big red candle comes and people lost 50% of their money for wicks because they didn't put stop losses for some reason and things like that? You know how hard those days were? Massive. I want us to walk in these damn offices and walk on these streams excited when this market is down 50%. I am changing. I'm doing it right. Crypto changed my life, and I'm here to be honest, and I'm here to be true, and I'm here to give you the realness. That's what I'm here to do. Okay. So right now, all that you've missed is you have confirmed that we threw resistance on your alts, and this is where we're going to buy it. You have not lost out on anything. You have not missed the bull market. Nothing has gone past. Nothing has disappeared. Okay, let's go. Look here on the... let's go a couple other things. Again, what you also have over here is your USDT dominance. Here's your USDT dominance over here. Very much coiled up. You know what I like about this too? This is confirming that we are going to see a mega rally in January, right? Mega rally in January. And I do think, Craig, what do you think is going to happen over Christmas? I think the markets are going to go up. Yeah, I think when it's Christmas time, I think the market's going to be boring as shit, to be honest. That's why for me, I'm being prepared. But if you look at this on USDT dominance over here, we lost trend. So for me, it's a retest of that trend. That is a nice little shake out of the market. And then we continue the rally. Again, this is quite damaging for those who are not prepared for it. Okay, so let's go through a couple of altcoins over here. Guys, I got a couple of buy lists, and I just want to show you this over here. I did give this to Sniper Club yesterday. So things like ETH hasn't gone just yet. We know the golden cross is happening. So I got a little bit of buy orders over here. 20% buy order at 3.4 and a 40% buy order at 3.2. 3.220 just to catch a nice little limit order. But let's go through a couple of successes. So look at this. Phantom has broken out. Until it broke out yesterday, I was going to wait for it for 80s, right? But now it's broken out. Okay, and what it's basically showing you now is the next resistance is all the way at 1.6. So I'm allowing this bad boy to just run for now. I know I want Phantom for the bull run. I know there's a $10 Phantom in the future. Okay, but now all that it's done is it just turned this box that I needed to be sure that was red, now green. Okay, so that is now going to be a zone when the market is ready to pull back. This is where I want to catch Phantom, calm down, and that's where I want to catch it. Okay, so I just gave the market a bit of time. Things like Solana, bearish. Solana's not looking great right now. So I'm keeping these limit orders in. I got $210 and $195 there. I'm buying 20% over there, and I'm buying 40% over there. I'm very happy that I didn't just ape into Solana. It's still looking pretty bearish right now. There's the trend, okay, at this point right now. So I'm giving that a bit of time, okay? Another token that I'm so excited that's getting ready, it hasn't broken out just yet, okay, is Injective. So Injective is about to break this red box, okay? And that for me will confirm that these limit orders here are a little bit too low. So it's basically saying from here, okay, let's break through, let's come down, and then we're going to get going, and that's where I want to catch it. But we are not through this red box yet. So for now, my limit orders stay. Okay, let's go next one. THORChain. Look at that, guys. Keep this trend in mind over here. Guys, if we start to break these trends, so for example, Injective breaks that high today. Guys, you can take 10% or 5% or whatever money that you know, you calculated it, go and trade it on the short time frame. It's quite easy on what altcoins are pumping. The ones that are breaking out the trends and the highs, that's when they rip. Go take your damn 10% and go trade the crap out of it. But make sure you have a lot of cash as well for when the shakeout in comes. And again, THORChain, I'm keeping my limit orders here until we are through this red box. Then I know, okay, sweet Sheldon, boom, let's bring them up, get the pullback, and let's go. Until then, I'm being responsible. And that's a very important thing. Another coin that's looking ready to, here's a trade. Again, I'm not trading, guys. I will show you here. But I'm going to give you guys a couple of trades as well. I am not trading. I have all my limit orders over there, and I'm in cash. Not trading it right now. I'm trading the bigger swings, guys. I'm not here to trade the little scalping stuff. You guys are more than welcome to. I did a lot of that the last bull market, and I can officially say I'm like a veteran at that stuff now. I'm cool. Okay, I'm cool, but you guys go for it. Go for it. Just trade with a very small amount of money right now. You don't need a lot of money. And trade the swings and go. And just bank cash, 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 cash. Is my wife calling me? She's been married to me and been with me for so long, and it's my showtime, and she's phoning me. Wait, maybe it's an emergency. Hold on. I don't know. She's phoning me in a show. Okay, let's go. So I am in cash there at the moment. Let's go through. So here, guys, broke a high, looking really good, and here's a 1 hour breakout. Okay, so if it pops nicely into the zone, your buy zones are here between 0.658, okay, and your top is 0.78. Okay, that's your buy zone. So you'll buy it here. You would put a stop loss. Very important to put stop losses at these areas over here. Okay, and you're looking at a rally up to around 82, 85 cents. This is if they want to continue pumping today. So bulls, you can't say I'm not feeding you today. I'm feeding you. Okay, breaking out, looking amazing on the daily. Looking ready for a nice, big, high time frame break over here and some nice money to be made. Is still nice and early. The next one is NEAR protocol, guys. Keep an eye on NEAR protocol. NEAR has turned this previous level over here, this high, I had to wait yesterday, into support. Boom. So you can see very much. I just want to show you. There we go. You see how these highs over here, they're now support. So you want to trade this today and you want to go, no problem. You can see we have broken out, and you can see right now that this is your buy zone. Let me just clear it up over here. This will be a little buy zone over here, which is these highs. Okay, so you won't buy this much more above 7.4. Okay, your stop loss will go at around $7. That's a 5% stop loss. So just to explain to you all the new leverage traders, just so I know there's a lot of new leverage traders now. Everyone trades leverage. If the coin's going to drop 5% and you're on a 10x leverage, you are going to lose 50% of your money if your stop loss hits. Okay, if you're on a 3x, you're going to lose 15%. If you're on a 5x, you're going to lose 25%, just so that you know. So the best way to trade leverage is to buy this now on a 1 or 2x. And then once it breaks up, you can change the leverage and go 5x and then breaks up. And all you're doing is putting a stop loss and you're moving it up as you go. Don't just go 10x and get yourself wrecked, because you will get wrecked on a wick. Okay, so you build the leverage up as you start getting it correct. And that's the correct way to do it. Okay. So NEAR protocol, another call for the day. Another token that's also waking up pretty nicely is 𝗬𝗡𝗡𝗏. So keep an eye on an 𝗬𝗡𝗏 breakout. I'll definitely make sure you got some long and some spot positions on 𝗬𝗡𝗏. I'm still keeping my limit orders at 23 and 20 because I know how big the wick's going to be at any moment. Okay, but for trading, I think it's great, because what you're seeing now is you are seeing this previous top into support. There you buy, you put your stop loss in this area over here of around 25.3. Okay, and you look to take profits at around $31, $32. Take your profits, keep some cash, and wait for the big dip. This is if the market's going to continue pumping for now the next couple of hours again. Let's say it wants to keep going up for the day. Again, I'm calling 24, 48, 72 hours, any moment now. And then that. So for now, the music's on and you want to dance, you dance, baby. You dance and you do it. Just keep yourself level-headed and trade at the right amount of money. Chainlink. Wow. Great pump up from Chainlink. Your buy zones now are back at 22. Okay. So all that I needed yesterday, it's called for being responsible, guys. Okay. So look here. There was the highs. That's where we were yesterday. We had the right to sit and wait with limit orders. Now we've broken out. So your buys are at 22 and you got another buy at around 20 to 21. That's what I'm patient for on Chainlink. When it comes to trading it, let's zoom in over here. I wouldn't touch it right now, to be honest. Here is Polkadot, also getting ready for a nice pump. Not breaking the highs just yet. So that one I'm waiting for. AVAX, my buy zones at 46, 44. So nice. So you can see I'm kind of expecting around a 20% pullback when it happens, 20% wick. Guys, 2.6 and 2.3, I got theta orders as well. So just keep that in mind. Those are nice ones. Let's speak about XRP for a second. So just see here, XRP was making a bull flag. It lost it. It retested it. So it does look like XRP is probably going to go sideways. I don't think it's going to dump too hard just yet. Obviously, when the market flushes, it will go down. Okay. But it looks like the most recent support trend on XRP is at around 2.2. Guys, I do think XRP is going to hit $5 to $8 a cycle, maybe even a little bit higher, right? But remember, when the next pump happens, XRP is probably not going to pump. Okay, so this is very important, guys. Why I wasn't in HBAR. I wasn't in Litecoin. I wasn't in these coins. I have a very little bit of it from the past, but I wasn't in these coins. The main ones for me was to catch the gaming ones and to catch, I had Cardano, but to catch the theta runs, the vet runs, the 𝗬𝗡𝗏s, the links, the dots. These are the tokens that I like. These are the tokens that I see pumping next, like really hard. You know, your 200-300%, I still think they're all available on these tokens. I think your XRPs and the stuff, they're going to chill and go sideways for a little while. And then after a couple of weeks, they're going to get ready to go again. But for now, they're going to start to chill at some point. I think there will be one or two little wicks. You know, again, I got 2.2 and I even have 1.9. Let's say there's a crazy wick on XRP, but I think they're just going to trend and it's actually healthy for them to trend, to make a nice little bull flag here and then get ready to go to the $5 a little bit later on. And that's why look at Doge, perfect example. Doge did the run that XRP did, but look what it's doing. You see this? By the way, I see this left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Just saying. Okay. Next thing over here, let's see a couple of others. We got Nakamoto Games. We got Beam. These ones again. So you can see all my limit orders that are sitting in those areas over there. Guys, who wants bid funded? I really hope you've been trading this market and passing your bid funded levels. Just little quick trades. Remember, if you get 8% on your first level, where is the main piece of it? Let's find it over here. If you get 8% past your first level and 5% after your second level, you pay $79 to get the package. And if you unlock those two, you get $5,000 to trade the market in. Okay, and you keep 90% of the profits. Okay, then you got a $10,000 package. So it's either you pay $80. Now, what's good about this, guys? I would highly say that this is a very good idea for those who are drunk at the party. This is actually a very good idea. You want to know why? Because you can pass these two levels, right? It takes a couple of days to pass the levels or something like that. But at least when that wick comes, okay, let's say it comes and it takes you down, it's not going to, instead of you trading your own $5,000, remember, you can trade with a lot more money than what you got. You're only paying $80. Now, think about your downside. Think about if the market tanks tomorrow and it goes down really hard, right? You will only lose $79. You won't lose your $5,000. You can open up another package and you can get going again. Okay, same here with $99, $250, $400. I don't know if there is still a Black Friday special. There might be. Just look at my link below. There might be. If you buy one, you get one of them free. Or you buy two of them, you get one of them free. Just keep that in mind. But this is actually a very good idea for those who are drunk. This means you'll only lose. If I know you got a $5,000 account and you only lost $80, I'll be very happy when the wick comes. So that's a very good idea for you over there. So link below in the description over there. Remember, for those who want to collect or maybe got wrecked or shorted the market, sign up with my 𝗬𝗥𝗢𝗙 link below. You get $20 for registering on the link. Okay, you get $10 for KYC and you get $100 for your first deposit. So you can actually accumulate quite a bit of money over here. Okay, just by doing the tasks. So shout out to 𝗬𝗥𝗢𝗙, no KYC. I've traded a lot of volume on here. I've traded multiple tokens on here as well. So it's a very, very, very good exchange over there as well at the moment. Okay, so let's give away some bit funded. Okay, I would love to win. Sheldon, beetroot. That's quite like a tongue twister. Yes, you can have a bit funded account. No problem. Who else wants a bit funded account? It's the first one, by the way, the $79 account. Okay. I'm holding cash, need bid funded. I'm not Jimmy. Yes. I don't know how to say your name. But yes, 100%. Please send me. I would love to know how to say your name. I just don't want to say it very incorrectly. Okay. I want to have the respect for that at all. Okay. Next one. Who wants Sniper Club? Sniper Club's in a very big rebuild at the moment. Remember, if you're in club, there are daily calls. Okay. Go watch the daily calls. There was one done this morning. I did a show now just before that. You get my show chart in a document. A lot of people are saying, oh, document. You click on it. All my show links are in there. All my show charts are in there. I gave all the limit orders there yesterday as well. So Sniper Club is also available over there as well. So who wants Sniper Club? Let's give away 2 Sniper Clubs. Yes, Sniper Club for 𝗦𝗢𝗙. Let's go. Another one. Big Ben DJen. You've been here always, dude. You love Big Ben DJen. Of course. You get 3 months, sir. Okay. Can I have one more bit funded, please? Tomorrow I'll give you 𝗬𝗥𝗢𝗙. One more bit funded. Okay, Tindo, the African DJen, you get bit funded. So guys, the moral of the story here is I've given you 3 trades now. Go trade. Trade at a small amount. Just trust me. Have a bunch of cash. No financial advice. Have a bunch of cash. Keep a bunch of cash. Trade at a very little bit of it right now. Dance while the music's on. But set your damn limit orders. And when this big fat red day comes and I come in here doing cartwheels and backflips and happier than ever because I can't wait to be a bull again. Okay, then we'll start the celebration. I love you all. Have a fantastic day. See you all tomorrow. Much love.